They're back and they're better than ever. I'm Chelsea Evans, I'm the furniture artist on Apple Blossom Way, and I'm going to introduce you to the new clearly aligned decor stamps from Redesign with Prima. Let's roll all the way back to 2008 when Redesign with Prima first released their clean stamps. This was the original design, and they were whimsical in design and lots of fun ideas, but times have changed and so have our stamps. So I'm going to show you the difference between 2008 stamps and 2020 stamps. They came in a little package like this, and on a sheet similar, but they're really flimsy. And the plastic on the sheet was really thin. All right. Now, when you have your little stamps, they feel a little bit different, and when I pull them up from the plastic, you can see how stretchy they are. Also, the design is on the clear plastic and it's not on the stamp. If you look at the stamp, you can see it's clear. So it's hard to see the design. Also, if I'm going to place these on furniture or any curved area, my stamp's gonna slip and stretch and I won't get a really crisp design like this triangle. Now, let's check out the new stamps. Clearly aligned clean stamps. They are amazing. There's 15 different designs and they're absolutely beautiful. This one is called Stripes. So it has stripes at the top and bottom, and it has numbers. Now the plastic on these is much more sturdy. It's a lot thicker, you can see, and you could actually put your stamps on the plastic and you could stamp them down using the plastic if you had a certain design and you wanted to do it that way. They're sturdy enough to do that. Now, when we pull these off, they come off really easily. They're not stretchy. I can't pull on it and it's not gonna be misshapen in any way. And if you'll notice, you can see the design clearly on the stamp. This is ideal for using on furniture or anything else because you can place the stamps down and you can see exactly what the design is going to look like before you actually apply the ink and stamp it on. They're gonna last you a lot longer. You can reuse them, clean them, and stick them right back here. Since the plastic's thick, they'll store nice and they will stay nice and flat for you to use again. Another thing I want to show you guys about these stamps is that you can line them up with ease. So this is the Imperial Crackle stamp that I'm going to show you. And it has two different designs on it. This is the crackle, and it's continuous. So I can take it and stamp it. I can move it over and stamp the next section, and it will continue seamlessly. This one does the same. It's a damask print, and you can see that the damask is perfectly centered with damask on both sides, so I can easily repeat the design. And it looks like I have a big stamp when it's just a small section. That's ideal, especially if you're a furniture painter or artist. That's really nice to have. Now the other thing that I love about these is you can layer them. So there's two different stamps. One is the Sweet Blossoms and one is the Mystic Rose that has a layering feature. So let me show you what that means. So you can see on the stamp plate that there's some that are blacked out and then some that are a little thicker, and then we get a little bit thinner. Now, if you'll look on your packaging when you get your stamps, this shows 1, 2, and 3. So it shows how to layer the colors. I can do a darker base, a little bit lighter, and then white on top, and that's going to give me dimension, and it's going to look much more real. The stamps are also numbered on the stamps directly. Whoop, let's do this way. B1, B2, so you can layer some of your foliage, and then the bigger florals have A1, A2, and then A3. So you can create your designs. The other thing that I love about these is we've talked about how you can use them on furniture, you can use them on glass, you can use them on plastic, metal, pretty much anything you can put a stamp on, you can use that for. But you can also use it on food. They are FDA approved, food safe, so you can stamp them onto fondant, gum paste, or royal icing and cookies. How do you clean your stamps when you're done using them? It's really easy. There's a couple of different ways. You can grab some wipes, baby wipes, any type of wipes, and just take one, go ahead and wipe it down, clean it really well, clean in the crevices, and then you can stick it right back onto your clear sheet and you're done. You can clean them with Dawn dish soap and water, and a little scrub brush or an old toothbrush that you can use to clean them if you get any in the crevices, or you can use a wet paper towel. Just make sure they're really clean, and then they'll repeatedly stick to your clear sheets, and you can store them like that.